Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you a new Google Flow update. Guess what? You can now remove your watermarks or you can hide watermarks on Google Flow projects. I'll show you how you can do that. So go to your Google Flow. So once you're at Google Flow, make sure you're logged into your account. So when you're logged into your account, so the new update is that the watermarks can be removed. So on your profile, click on your top right on your profile. So go to your profile. Okay, and on your top right, when you click on your profile, you will see that underneath your sign out option there is the visible watermarking option here. So now you can choose to turn these off. Okay, all you have to do is hit on this off button here. So if it's you can just click on the off button to turn it off, and if you want to turn it on, you can click on the on button here. So you can now choose to whether keep it or not. So that's the new update. So this feature is currently rolled out in certain areas, so certain regions. So depending on your region, you will have access to this switch here. So if you want to turn it off, you can just turn off the watermark by clicking on the off button here, and hopes this video helps.